Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and today I have a quick one for you guys. This is a wig, I know, shocking. So if you want to know how I got here, keep on watching. So yeah, as you know, I love hair, and hair includes wigs and hair replacement units. So I wanted to explore, you know, wearing a wig for once in my life, and here I'm showing you how it fit. It didn't fit any well at all. It was very long. This wig was on the thin side because I had it for rerouting a doll's head because I was doing some doll repaints. Anyway, so I wanted to restyle this wig. So here I am, detangling the hair. It's already washed, it's clean. I wanted to cut the hair with some layers because I thought, well, layers will make the wig look a little fuller. So I looked on YouTube for several videos on hair cutting, and I found one in particular from Styles by Summer, and her explanation, her video is very well put out how to layer actual hair on a client. And I wanted to treat the wig as if it were real hair. I know you shouldn't treat synthetic hair as human hair because it doesn't behave the same way, but the principle is, I think the principle is the same. So here I am just layering the hair. I was angling my hand and cutting the layers parallel to the head, and you can see I'm pushing the head up just to get the layers fall where I wanted them to fall. And you also can see the cap because, like I said, the wig is already on the thin side, so I didn't expect it to look any good whatsoever. So yeah, I made a guide, and from that guide I took a little piece and then I moved around the whole back of the head, because I sectioned the front part to do that as a last step. So as you can see, I'm taking a lot of length out of this wig, and I'm using the water just to help me have the hairs together, because I know synthetic hair won't absorb any water. So that's basically what I'm doing. So now I'm moving past to the front, and as you can see, the front is already messy, and I just thought, well, I'm gonna even them out and make both sides symmetrical. Basically I started layering the front differently than how Summer did on her video, but I think I did a great job on this one because I was adapting what she does on her video, what you would actually do on a human head, and I was sort of trying to mimic the same thing on a wig. And with human hair you will actually use a lot of sectionings, more than two, and I only did like 2 sectionings, and this is my results. Now I'm blow drying because I wasn't gonna wait for this wig to dry. So yeah, you can see the layers that, and for me right now I feel like the purpose for me was, it's the first time I'm gonna cut a wig. I'm gonna try to make it look presentable. I know it's not the best. It doesn't look like it's not a wig. Doesn't look like it's real hair. But for being the first time, I think it was a very well done experiment. So you can see the layers here, and I really like them. Looking at the footage right now, I can see there's a little unevenness on some of the sides, and I will probably have to go back to the wig and fix that, but so far so good. Now I'm using the blow dry just to give a little more body, because to me I feel like layers do work well with a blowout, and that sort of wavy texture on the ends of the hairs. So I curl it a little bit, you can see me now, and now what I'm doing is I'm fixing that front part. And I found a video from Tessy Osibamowo. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name a little bad, but I love your video. I'm gonna leave the link to the video. I don't know if she was the one who invented this technique, but I found her video very informative and helpful and on how to make the part look a little bit more realistic. Of course, I didn't make a great job, but I tried, and I think that's very commendable. So yeah, after I finished doing that, here I already put the wig on my head. Guys, remember, it doesn't fit. I tried my best for it to fit better. I have a big head, and I also have a lot of hair. So bear in mind that I have a lot of hair, and probably in the back I have a huge bump because of my hair. So yeah, here I'm just putting down the curls, and let's see how this one turns out. Because I remember it was alright. I remember it was alright, but it wasn't perfect. So if you guys have any suggestions, anything for me to try on the future, I still have some other wigs, synthetic wigs like this one. They are all heat resistant because they are all Kanekalon hair, so I can play with these wigs and try to make them look realistic. Or if you want me to try any human hair wigs, well, also you can make that suggestion, because I really like the idea of being able to change my style whenever I want, however I feel. So you see the parting sliding off already from my head, and I'm looking at myself in the monitor, and I'm like, no, let's check this hair. Yes, you see that part. So I pull it back, I pull it towards my front, my forehead, and I think it'll make it look a little bit nicer. I've seen some people apply foundation. I don't know what any foundation. I'm ordering a foundation right now because clearly I need it. But I think it looks alright. Here it looks fine. It doesn't look like it's not my hair, but it could pass, I think. What do you guys think? So it's sort of, you can see my real hair peeking through, mostly on the sides, because the front, let's forget about the front. So here I am just trying to fix it and make it look, like something. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I know it doesn't look like it's real hair, and it's not a big tutorial on how to make a wig look like real hair, but I wanted to share with you guys what it was like to cut layers for the first time on a wig and try and style it and make it look at least good and presentable on camera and on pictures. And I think I achieved that. I barely achieved that, but I achieved something. So yeah, hopefully in the future I will make better stylings and better wig videos. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at PanaCurls. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!